इंसान तब नहीं हारता जब वो गिर जाता है, इंसान की हार तब होती है जब वो गिर कर उठने की कोशिश भी ना करे।
When the going gets tough, you need to be tougher by building a strong physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Hi, I'm Sonu Singh, your image partner.
Hello, I'm Ashu Panwar, your health and wellness motivator.
Welcome to our channel, Lifestyle Brewery,
your daily dose
of health and well-being.
Lift up yourself to fight, rise as a phoenix in your battles of life.
Remember, having immunity is like having gold in nowadays. As the pandemic goes from lockdown to unlock, we have to procure this gold more in number. The more you have, the richer you are.
An Arabian proverb: the person who has the health has the hope, and the person who has the hope has everything. So health is the wealth, not the gold and silver. So this is the wealth which we have to earn, and this is an ongoing process, but it is very, very, very important, especially at this point of time, in the time of health crisis. So we are coming up with a series of videos wherein you can join us to start your fitness journey from where you have left it. Remember, you are the owner of this beautiful space, your body, and you have to keep it fit, clean, and energetic.
Disclaimer: we are not health experts, we are not fitness experts, we are not certified gym trainers or aerobics trainers, Zumba trainers. However, with the years of experience that we have gained through doing all these various kinds of exercises, be it Zumba, be it yoga, be it dance, be it weight training, body training, gym training, aerobics, we love doing all this, and these videos that you will be seeing in our series is for people like us who are on and off the mat. So we are joining back our exercise routine on our own. We have curated these videos for ourselves to come back to the fitness levels that we were, right? Because of any kind of reason that you might have left it, or any reason that I might have left my mat and my fitness routines, we want to come back to that routine.
Ding dong! Another disclaimer. Please, please, please do consult your doctor in case if you have any health and physical issues before starting any fitness routine.
So join our club from being fat to fit and now fab. And along the way when we go, we promise you to hold our hands with each other and never leave it till the time we achieve that fab. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का पहला वीडियो इस एक्सरसाइज के साथ। उससे पहले मैं आपको बोलना चाहती हूँ कि प्लीज 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 वार्म अप करना और कूल डाउन करना, ये दोनों चीज बहुत जरूरी है आपके मसल्स एंड बॉडी के लिए, ताकि एक्सरसाइज के बाद आपको कोई पेन या क्रंचेस या क्रैम्प ना रहे, क्योंकि अगर वो रहेगा तो आप काफी दिन तक नहीं कर पाएंगे। ठीक है, अपने आप को हाइड्रेटेड रखें, पॉजिटिव माइंड फ्रेम में रखें, स्माइल रखें, एंड विद अ हैप्पी फेस कम टू द मैट एंड लेट्स पुश इट टुगेदर। ऑल द बेस्ट।
Plank with high-speed climbing. If you cannot do it, slow down the pace and try resting your foot on the ground when you bring it forward. Do not bend your back. Keep it parallel to the floor. Keep the abs tight to keep a better balance. Add this video to your favorites. It will guide you when you train. Next exercise, low plank. All things are difficult before they become easy. If you are unable to complete this movement, try resting your knees on the ground. Make sure not to lift your bottom. To do this, make sure the abdominals are well contracted during this movement. Be sure not to bend the neck. The head should remain constantly in a line with the back. To do this, stare at a fixed point on the ground. Next exercise, full power crunch. If you cannot do it, try resting your hands on the floor. Do not bend your head. Stare at a fixed point in front of you. To avoid isolation with the bust, keep the abdomen tight. Drink at least 1.5 liter of water a day to reduce abdominal water retention. Next exercise, crunch ankle touch. Do you think it is useful? Click like. If you are unable to complete this motion, try keeping your leg bent, but place your feet firmly on the ground. Do not lift your lower back off the floor. Do not strain your neck. Staring at the ceiling may help. Next exercise, jump squat. If you cannot do it, try not jumping sideways when you rise from the squat. Lift one foot slightly off the ground. Be sure your knees don't pass your toes during the squat to avoid any joint problems. Next exercise, crunch cross outstretched legs. If you cannot do it, try resting your heels on the floor before moving on to the next contraction. Never lift your lower back off the floor. Don't use the resting arm to help you. Change your sides within no time. You're the best personal trainer for yourself. Listen to your body and you cannot go wrong. Next exercise, alternate leg extension plus crunch. If you cannot do it, try gently resting your heels on the ground when outstretching the legs. You can also reduce the number of leg extensions. Be sure not to lift your lower back off the floor. Keep the abs constantly tight. Do not strain your neck. Staring at a fixed point may help. Next exercise, side plank. If you cannot do it, bend the leg and rest your foot and knee on the ground. Do not look at the floor. Stare at a fixed point in front of you. Do not lift all over your pelvis. Head, shoulders and feet should be aligned as if they were following an imaginary line. Next exercise, high knee run. If you are unable to complete this movement, try slowing down the pace. Do not bend or curve your back. Maintain your torso straight by staring at a fixed point in front of you while contracting your abdominals. Do not rest your heels on the ground. Finish the exercise on your toes. If you skip meals, your metabolism slows down. Eat smaller amounts but often. Next exercise, side crunch with ankle touch. Never lift your lower back off the floor. Keep your abs contracted to avoid mistakes. Do not strain your neck. Try staring at a fixed point on the ceiling. Next exercise, high plank with open and closed legs. If you cannot do it, try taking one leg at a time to the side. Be sure not to bend your neck. Training alone is not enough. By adding the right nutrition, you can double its effectiveness. Want more videos like this? Let us know by liking it. To increase the benefits, repeat the exercise several times. It is ideal to do the workout 4 times a week.
If you like this video, please do like and subscribe our channel for more videos like this.